Currently on the screen is another look at the life of Tropical Cyclone Marcus that earlier today impacted the Northern Territory city of Darwin and was a Cat 2 system. Welcome to another update from the Force 13. This update is coming via the Force 13's AU team and a special message from Nathan. Unfortunately, Nathan will not be around to at least the end of this month due to business behind the scenes with the project. The AU channel will continue to bring the latest information either on the main channel or the local channel on Tropical Cyclone Marcus. The cyclone warning zone is Cape Hotham to Mitchell Plateau including Darwin. A watch zone is Cockatoo Island to Mitchell Plateau. Tropical Cyclone Marcus has been downgraded to a Category 1 system with sustained winds in a centre of 85 km per hour with wind gusts to 120 km an hour within 9 km to 12.9 degrees south, 130.4 degrees east, estimated to be 20 km south of Dundee Beach and 70 km southwest of Darwin. This is a GFS wind model available on the BSCH website. This is from around 10 AM through to Sunday afternoon. Each of these images are in 3 hourly periods. Tropical Cyclone Marcus, whilst weakening to a Cat 1, is expected to re-intensify to Category 2 system, the NOAA floaters, and Monday afternoon it is likely to be upgraded to a Category 4 system. Gales with gusts to 120 km an hour currently along the coast between Darwin and the Dundee River mouth, and may extend further south to Wat Eye by early Sunday morning, extending to the North Kimberley on Sunday. Destructive wind gusts of more than 150 km an hour are expected over the northeast Kimberley during Sunday as the centre of Tropical Cyclone Marcus approaches that region. And concern the storm surge and we have a look at the upper level divergence, wind shear, 24-hour shear tendency and 850 millibale vorticity. Emergency services up there in the Northern Territory are advising people within the Darwin region to boil water. Emergency services have had to rescue 2 people from their boat moored close by a boat ramp due to extremely dangerous weather. The I think the water police had to go out in gale force winds to bring them to shore. They were actually on board a boat and they were trying to ride out the cyclone. Not good when you've got a Cat 2 system. Considering my experience of 10 continuous years in a marine rescue organisation here in Brisbane, I know how bad the seas can get. Now we have a look at the tracks on the system. the late cycle intensity guidance, and a couple of them are indicating a Cat 5 system. We have a look at total precipitable water, and the scales on the right hand side of the screen, and what I look for is the clockwise motion and any pinkish area. And to our viewers over there in the Mauritius, I'm hoping to have an update out within the next couple of hours. Tropical Cyclone Warning Centre correction, Northern Territory, Darwin office, the current chart, and here's a look at the local radar, and this is the current scene. It was more severe earlier this morning, and I think my update on the AU channel might have the earlier footage, but as mentioned, it is expected to re-intensify into a Cat 2 system, and possibly up to Cat 4 Monday afternoon. Joy Typhoon Warning Centre's satellite image on the cyclone, their current forecast track and the cone of uncertainty. And finally, in this update, we have a look at the GFS, or it might be the ECMWF wind model, available on windy.com, and this is out across the next 4 days. And considering the system over there in the Mauritius La Reunion region, we have an area of interest in the Westpac, and unfortunately from viewing a couple of models, there might be another tropical threat to Darwin within a week or less. We will continue to bring updated information.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, which has had a revamp and is still under reconstruction, but take a look. Also YouTube, of course, if you haven't subscribed, that might be a good idea. Visit Force 13. We're also on Facebook under the same name, of course, and you can like us on there, and you can also follow us on Twitter. Search Force 13, all in text for those. You can also add Force 13 on Skype, or my personal account on Discord, Fool13, at extension 9094.